Hi, I'm Lily from Merino y Vino, and I just wanted to show you how I put yarn on a niddy noddy. So I just dyed some self-striping yarn, and this niddy noddy actually broke while I was doing it. This little T piece just totally broke off, and then the yarn came flying off, and so I had to put it into a ball and unknot it, which was a big pain, but here we are. So here's a yarn bowl that my friend Marta gave me. And I'm just going to put the yarn through it. I'm going to put this on the floor so you guys can see, because I think hopefully some of you guys spin who watch my videos, but if it's not just like learning how to spin yarn, but also like how do we wind it into a skein. So I'm going to back up a little bit. I like holding it with my right hand, and I put the tail halfway up, and then I go around the bottom closest to me, then over the top, then under the bottom on the other side, then over the top, and I just kind of turn the niddy noddy as I go. So the sides are different. This is, they're like 90-degree different. Get some geometry in for you. And so you can just kind of see how I'm going, and it takes some learning. One way I double check it, oops, here, hold on just a second. One way I double, oh dear. Sometimes yarn just does not cooperate. I'm sure you guys have been there. One way I double check it is I make sure, is there any overlap here, or here, or here, or here. So if there's always those spaces, I know I'm doing it right. And then as you get into the rhythm of like how you move your hands, like oh my gosh, maybe I shouldn't have wound it in. Okay, it's just in the ball now, or in the bowl. So then I find out where I ended, which you can see is up here. So I go under, over, under, over, under, and I just alternate the over and under. And then you kind of just tilt your wrist the same direction. So you will make mistakes sometimes, and it sucks. But you know, you do get the rhythm pretty quickly. And I think after skeining or using a niddy noddy for 1 to 2 balls of yarn, like 50 or 100 gram skeins, or what will become skeins, it should be fine, and you should get it under your belt. The only other things I have to say before I sign off on this short video and mini tutorial is I am going to be a WAFA vendor on Facebook this March 2025. So if you join the Woolen Arts, Woolen Fiber Arts, excuse me. It's late, it's a Sunday evening. Woolen Fiber Arts group on Facebook. And there's also a community. If you love knitting, spinning, crochet, yarn, it's definitely the place to be. It's a huge community right now. There's, I think, 25,000 of us. And just about every month we have a virtual sale. So I'll be a vendor this March. So come check me out. It's free to join. It's free to watch. And they're just virtual yarn sales. So it's nice to see vendors from across the United States and interact with the community, share what you've been working on. And then that's not good. I will also be a vendor at the Flag Wool and Fiber Festival, which is the last full weekend in May in Flagstaff. So I would love to see you there as well. And I hope to be a WAFA vendor again in April. So those are some of the things I'm up to. I would love to know in the comments below, do you like self-striping yarn? Have you used a niddy noddy before? Would you like a more in-depth tutorial? Just let me know. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.